My name is Ajay Gopal. I am the Executive Vice President responsible for products and technologies at CA, and I'm based in New York. I think the phrase IT aligned with the business is a terrible phrase because it suggests somehow that IT and business are two different things, two different parts that need to be aligned. But increasingly, I think that IT is the business. Whether you're in healthcare, whether you're in manufacturing, whether you're in transportation, whether you're in logistics, the government, if IT doesn't do its job, the business doesn't work. They're fundamentally intertwined, so they're not aligned, they are one and the same. And I think that's a very important way to think about it. When we talk about alignment, we confuse the issues. We think about these things as having to work together as different entities. But as you start to think about it being together, then you start to think about how you can operate more efficiently as a single organization with a single set of purposes, which is driving the business forward. When you think about the transformation that I talked about, how IT is no longer just aligned, but how IT is the fabric of the business, you should think of IT as not being responsible for individual silos or the effectiveness of individual silos. So it isn't about the servers being up or the network being up. It isn't about the means of production. Rather, it's about the product that's being produced by IT, and that is the business services that are being driven by IT. So rather than look at it from this angle, where you think about a server, you think about a network, and you think about an application, you look at it this way, where you start to say, what's the end product? Well, if the end product is, I don't know, this particular online application, you start to pull from there, and then that connects to the servers that support that, the application, the change management, the budgeting, everything that's linked with that application, it starts to become more important if that's the most important thing the business is driving. So customers then require products to not just be individual elements within a silo, but they require our ability to support that end-to-end flow across these different products to support the business outcome. And that's certainly what we're seeing increasingly from customers. So practical innovation is about taking advantage of technology evolution, of changing customer needs and evolving business models and being able to blend them together to create a solution that is substantially better than the state of the art at the current time. That's what practical innovation is about. And when you think about CIOs, clearly CIOs oftentimes understand the technology, but they also are able to bring, as they start to get more immersed in the business, they're able to bring that business understanding of what the business is trying to accomplish, as well as an understanding of what the end user wants. That, coupled with an analysis of the business models, allows CIOs to be more innovative in the way that I define in terms of practical innovation. And I think I think this transition is being driven by a number of reasons. Firstly, of course, the IT organizations and the CIOs are moving away from trying to be a cost center into a value center. And so in making that transition, which has historically been taking place, in making that transition, the really innovative CIOs have been able to demonstrate to everyone else how they've become much more ingrained within the structure of the business.